Question number 5. Sarah's age is 3/5 of her mother's age. The difference between their age is 32 years. How old is Sarah? So here guys, before starting doing the question, what am I going to do is, I'll be just writing down, we are going to work for like Sarah and mother. Now the very first sentence is, Sarah's age is 3/5 of the mother's age. So let us say if I'm saying mother's age is X years old. Guys, in this case, I'm going to take X as mother's age. So that Sarah's age is going to be 3/5 of the mother's age. So Sarah will be 3/5 of X years old. So if mother is X years old, then Sarah is 3/5 of X. So 3/5 X years old. Now they're saying that the difference between their age is 32 years. So difference, that means like mother's age minus Sarah's age is 32. So mother's age is X minus 3/5X. That's the Sarah's age, and that difference is 32. Now the very first thing, what am I going to do is, now this 3 and X, they are in time. So I'll be writing down that as maybe properly. So that is going to be 3x/5. So it looks good basically. Yeah, they're in multiplication. I'll also try to write down that X as a fraction. So I'll be just dividing that by 1. So X equal to X upon 1. Why am I doing that? Because anytime if you are adding or subtracting fractions, you're going to make the same denominator. So when you are writing, there is no denominator, you can always write down 1. So that makes the things more visible. So this is 5. I can make this denominator 5 as well. So I'll be multiplying here by 5. But again, guys, as you do know, no racism. Whatever you're multiplying in the denominator, you're going to multiply the same number on the top as well. So I'll rewrite the same thing again. So which is going to be 5x/5 minus 3x/5, and that is equal to 32. Now I got the same denominator. So denominator is same. So what can I do is, I can make a bigger line. I can write down 5, and on the top I can do 5x minus 3x, and that is equal to 32. So the next thing I'm going to write down here, so 5x minus 3x, that is going to be 2x. So 2x divided by 5, and that is equal to 32. Now this 5 is divided by goes into times. So 2x equal to 32 multiply by 5. Yeah. So now guys, let us see if you know work that out very easily. How can you do it is, so 32 times 5, you can just do like 30 multiply by 5. 30 times 5. So 30 times 5 is nothing else but 150, plus 2 times 5 is 10, and 150 plus 10 is going to be 160. So that is going to be 160. So 2x equal to 160. Now 2 times x. So x equal to 2 goes divided by 160 divided by 2. So my x value is 80. That means mother is 80 years old. Now how old is the Sarah? 3/5 of the x. That means 3/5 multiplied by x, and my x is 80 now. So I can do 80 upon 1. Yeah, then I can just cancel this out. 5 1s are 5, and 5 times 16. 16 5s is 80. Yeah, and then after 16 times 3 is going to be 48. So 48 is the age of Sarah. So Sarah is 48 years old. Question 6. Amanda is 7 years older than twice her sister's age. The sum of their age is 49. How old is each sibling? So guys, whenever we are doing this question, I'm just going to write down as we always do. We are talking about Amanda and her sister. Now I'll be reading the first sentence again, and that is going to give me some clue what am I going to take X as. So Amanda is 7 years older than twice her sister's age. So I'm going to consider like her sister's age as X. So if Amanda's sister is X years old, then Amanda is 7 years older than twice sister's age. So twice sister's age is 2x, and then 7 years older than. So I go to plus 7. So you can understand, if sister is X years old, then Amanda is 2x plus 7 years old, because 7 years older than twice her sister's age. Once you are done and good with this, I think other part is super easy, guys. Now they are saying the sum of their age is 49. So Amanda age plus her sister age, which is going to be 2x plus 7 plus x, and together it is 49. Now like terms I can collect. So 2x plus x is going to be 3x. So 3x plus 7 equal to 49. Now plus 7 going other side becomes minus 7. So I'll be doing here like 3x equal to 49 minus 7. So 49 minus 7. So 3x is going to be equal to 42. And now 3 is in times, goes divided by. So my x is going to be 42 divided by 3. So my x value is 14, because 14 3s are 42. So how old is the sister? Amanda's sister is 14 years old. And how old is the Amanda? 2x plus 7. So that is going to be 2 times 14, because my x is 14, plus 7. 14 2s are 28 plus 7. 28 plus 2, which is 30, plus 5, 35. So Amanda is 35 years old. So the Amanda is 35 years old and her sister is 14 years old. Now the next question, guys, question number 7 is a really good question. So here we're going to understand the question. We'll go a little slow, we'll try to understand, and then we'll try to solve the question. A group of 5 friends has an average age of 20 years. If one friend is 30 years old, what is the average age of remaining friends? So we will understand a couple of things here, guys. In the starting, there are 5 friends. So I'll be just writing down 5 here, because they're talking about 5 friends altogether. Now the average age is 20 years. So average age is 20 years. So what is the total age? What will be the total age of 5 friends, guys? Total age of 5 is going to be 20 times 5. So that is going to be 100. So total age of all 5 friends will be 100, because 20 is the average age, 20 times 5, which is going to be 100. So 100 is the total age of 5 friends. Out of this 5, one friend is 30 years old. 30 years old, one friend. So they're saying what is the average of remaining friends? So remaining friends, that means how many friends? 5 minus 1. So they are asking us to find out the average age of 4 friends. Now all 5 friends total age is 100. One friend is 30, which I go to minus it. So if I do 100 minus 30, so which is the 70. So 70 years is the combined age of 4 friends, because one friend's age I have subtracted. So the 4 friends' age combined is 70. If I want to find out the average, that's the total age divided by number of people, and now the number of friends left is 4. So 70 divided by 4, that is what I got to do. I'll try to make it a little bit more simpler. So 2 is common, 2 2s are, and 35 2s are 70. So basically that's going to be 35 over 2. And if you work that out, guys, you can see like that is going to be basically 17.5. So 17.5 is going to be the average age of the 4 friends.